Hi, my name is Tamika Johnson. I'm 43 years old and I came to Georgia Surgery Care after I was having issues with losing weight on my own. Trying to work out was not working because I had back issues, herniated discs, pinched nerves, slight arthritis, and then I had issues with my legs, so I just could not get the weight off. I was eating healthy, but I couldn't get any cardio in. So I was referred to come here to see about getting a procedure done, the sleeve or the bypass. I was gonna go for the sleeve. I was apprehensive, but I was just gonna do it. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do it because they discovered that I had hiatal hernia as well as a GIST tumor. So I had to take another route. I was prescribed phentermine pills. So with controlled eating and the appetite suppressor, I was able to lose about 60 pounds. I came in weighing maybe 287. I'm now 223 or so and steadily dropping. So I just have to say thank you, Surgery Care, because my summer body for 2029 is coming together perfectly fine. And I love you guys.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Chris. I am the CEO and founder of Georgia Surgery Care. We founded Georgia Surgery Care in 2011 to provide safe, effective, high-quality healthcare solutions to the community. In fact, my life mission is to make high-quality healthcare solutions available, accessible, and affordable to all. People often ask me what kind of medicine do I practice. This is not a simple question for me to answer. Georgia Surgery Care consists of several distinct centers that provide a variety of healthcare solutions for a diverse list of issues. Our multi-specialty approach allows us to treat you and not just your symptoms. For example, our Advanced Reflux Center offers the latest, safest surgical and non-surgical options to help you eliminate reflux. Our Advanced Weight Loss Center offers the latest surgical and non-surgical options to help you lose excess weight. We also provide a full range of surgical and non-surgical cosmetic treatments through our sister company, Surgicare Arts. Surgicare Art is a cutting-edge cosmetic surgery center and medical spa. Whether you live in the metro area, across the state of Georgia, or beyond, if you're looking for long-lasting solutions to a wide range of healthcare problems, we offer a wide range of safe, effective, and affordable treatments. Please reach out to us today so we can help you to feel your very best.